So in today's video, I'm going to be discussing why you should not be an Uber driver. My name is Dylan. This is my channel, the Rideshare Hub. We talk about all things Uber, Lyft, and gig related. And you know, there's been a lot of periods in my several years of being a rideshare driver where it just doesn't make sense to be a driver. And if my friend told me or came to me and asked me, hey Dylan, should I drive for rideshare? And I probably would tell him, it depends on your circumstance. So in today's video, I'm going to tell you why you should not be an Uber driver. So before we get started, I did want to thank our sponsor Solo, which is a business app for gig workers, which they are giving you guys $15 when you sign up with our link until the end of the month. So if you sign up right now, you'll get $15. If you're watching this after the end of the month, you only get 10. So sign up right now and they help you get guaranteed pay, which is really cool, and let's get started. So the first reason is if you don't live in a big city. If you don't live in a very populated city, you don't wanna be driving for Uber because you're gonna be waiting too long in between your rides. You wanna be in a place where you can get ride after ride after ride, so that way, you know, you don't get paid in between your rides. Keep that in mind. So your per hour wage could go down to like 15 bucks an hour just because you're waiting 10 to 15 minutes for your ride. The second reason you don't want to drive rideshare is if you don't have a car to drive rideshare. Maybe you do have a car, but it's like a newer car, or it's like a BMW, or you have a Jeep. You don't have a car that's good for rideshare. In my opinion, you need to have a used Toyota, Honda, Ford, a very mainstream car for rideshare, or else you know, your car's going to be breaking down too much. You're not going to get good gas mileage. And for God's sakes, do not use a Tesla. Okay, the next reason why you probably don't want to be a rideshare driver is for danger. Driving rideshare in Uber and Lyft is a dangerous job, not only because the more hours you are on the road, the more likely you are to get into an accident, but passengers are creepy. You get a lot of assaults that happen inside of cars. You know, you're in a really tight space with somebody can easily grab up and, you know, basically do whatever they want to me. So for danger, and yeah, if you don't want to drive at night, or if you don't want to be dangerous, drive at night, or drive during the day. Don't drive at night. Okay, another reason is if you're looking to quit your job and find a new full-time position. I don't think driving rideshare is a good full-time position. I think it's good for a very short period of time. Like, let's say you need to make a few $100s really fast, or you need to make $1,000, you know, in a week. Yeah, I would drive the heck out of rideshare until you can pay your bill or whatever you need to escape whatever kind of, you know, payment you need to make. But then I would kind of move on. I wouldn't be like planning to drive rideshare for 2 to 3 years. It's just not the move because you're going to be spending so much money on wear and tear on your car and gas. And it's, you know, you're basically paying to work. You're paying money later to get money now. It's almost like a payday loan. So anyways, those are my main reasons why you probably should not be an Uber driver. Let me know your thoughts on this down below. Maybe I'm wrong, maybe I'm right. And again, sign up for Solo. Every driver I think should download it just because, for one, they're gonna give you $15 when you sign up and it's totally free anywhere in the country. And they also have some really awesome features like guaranteed pay. So check that out. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll talk to you soon.